handle a primary 3 class, that is year 3. We are going to have a literacy lesson. I'm going to handle it with my colleague. Thank you. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Once I caught a fish alive.
Once I caught a fish alive.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then I let it go away.
Then I let it go away.
Why did you let it go?
Why did you let it go?
Because it bit my finger so.
Because it bit my finger so.
Which finger did it bite?
Which finger did it bite?
The little finger on my right.
The little finger on my right.
Let's do it with speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go away. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. Okay, that's good. Let's first of all look at the external parts of a fish. We are going to look at the external parts of a fish, just as you see them here. We have the mouth. This is the mouth. This is the part of our fish that is used to pick food. We have the nostril. The nostril is found near the fish. We have the eye. A fish has got 2 eyes, but in this case, we have pointed to only one. That's why we are saying eye. We have the gill cover. This is a bony part. It's a bit hard. It's found on the head of a fish. We have the dorsal fin. This is the part of a fish known as a dorsal fin. We have the scales. These are the scales. These ones here are the scales. We have the caudal fin or the tail fin. This is an anal fin. This one here is an anal fin. It's known as anal fin. Then we have the pectoral fin. We have the pectoral fin. This part here is called the pectoral fin. Then the pelvic fin. This part here is known as the pelvic fin. Those are the outside or the external parts of a fish. Let's have Bruno to tell us the uses of the external parts of a fish in particular. Yes, Bruno?
Thank you, Teacher Doreen. I'm Bruno. Let's look at the uses of the external parts of a fish. The mouth. It is used for picking food. The nostril. It is used for smelling food. The scales. They protect the inner parts of a fish. The gill cover. It protects the gills from damage. The caudal fin. It helps a fish to change different directions while swimming. Anal fin. It helps the fish to stabilize while swimming. Pectoral fin and the pelvic fin. They are used to swim up and downwards in water. Eyes. They are used for seeing or sight. My dear friends, we have to take note that a fish is an aquatic animal. What are aquatic animals? Aquatic animals are animals that live in water. Thank you.
Good, Bruno. Thanks for that presentation. Fish, fish, all in a dish. Who will eat my beautiful fish? Fish, fish, all in a dish. Fish, fish, all in a dish. Who will eat my beautiful fish? Fish, fish, all in a dish.
We are going to look at the real external parts of a fish. This is a mouth. The mouth is picking food, as we said. Here is an eye. A fish has got 2 eyes. Eyes are used for seeing. We have the pectoral and the pelvic fin. They are both used to swim up and downwards in water. The anal fin. As we said, the anal fin is used to stabilize while swimming and is used to reduce and increase speed. The tail fin. It is used to change different directions while swimming. This is the dorsal fin, as you see it here. It is used for protection. These are the scales. The scales protect the inner parts of a fish, and the scales cover the biggest part of a fish. In this case, the inner parts of a fish mean the inside parts of a fish. The gill cover. It is a bony foam. It protects the gills from damage. Here are the gills. They are here. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you, Bruno, for that. Hope, children, you have got to know the external parts of a fish and their functions. You've seen them. You've really seen them. So, you are going to answer for me these questions. Since you have understood, you've been very attentive. So, you are going to answer for me these questions here. First, on number 1, what are aquatic animals? Yeah, aquatic animals are animals that live in water. Very good. Give the food value got from a fish. Who can give us that answer? Yes, Jeremiah. Proteins. That's beautiful. Name the part of a fish used for picking food. All of us. It is the mouth. Thank you so much. So, allow us to stop our lesson from here. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share on Doreen's channel.
Bye.